I've had my eyes on Request Network for quite a while. And just this morning, I packed my bags because this thing is ready to take off. You do not want to go anywhere. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll dive right in why I'm super bullish on Request Network. So, Request Network is ranked 195 of all cryptocurrencies. That's definitely a small market cap. It means it has a ton of potential and room for growth. It only has $196 million in market cap. That's really, really low. So, if you want a high risk, but also a very high reward coin, this one is definitely something you should be looking at. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Now, this market structure is absolutely beautiful, okay? There are some charts where you look at and you're just like, oh, this thing is bullish. The last one, or the other one that I've really been looking at, looks very similar to this, is Alchemy. But this one has a very, very similar structure. So as you can see, we have a very clear impulse movement. You can tell it's an impulse because of the high volume. Now, once you have the high volume, you can also see how we have a very clear corrective structure annotated by, once again, the low volume. Okay, high volume on the increase, low volume on the decrease. We are falling right into a major support level with this weekly breaker. We haven't actually touched it, but man, we've gotten close. So curve, as a curve bottom, bull flag, what you may want to call it, right? So high volume increase, low volume decrease, right into the support level. This thing looks ready for a continuation just based upon market structure. Now, where are the resistances on here? So the first one's going to be this weekly resistance here is going to be the support, and this is going to be our weekly resistance. However, this is very important. We've already tested it and pierced way past it, all right? We never closed above it, but we did pierce it, which that means this resistance actually isn't very strong anymore because we've already pushed it so hard. So what's next? Moon. Okay, there's not much resistance left once we get above this level. So this thing can accelerate very, very rapidly. Now, let's go ahead to the US dollar pairing, and this one also looks very bullish. So the first we're going to look at, I believe it's a 3-day, daily. All right, there it is. Perfect. So this level is the top of this massive, or this hill, you want to call it, right? This price increase. So this level is acting as a resistance level, or it was a resistance level. However, now it's acting as a support. And you can tell how we once again have come right back in there, tested it, and have rebounded very nicely so far. Now, the overall market structure, just like on the Bitcoin pairing, you have a very clear impulsive movement annotated by the high volume, and you have a very clear corrective structure annotated by the low volume gradual decrease. This is textbook market structure play right here, guys. So high volume increase, low volume decrease, bouncing off of a major support level, like this is all perfect. However, it gets even better, all right? This is the part that really, really blew my mind. A few days ago, we talked about the Fibonacci retracement levels in the golden pocket. Well, you already know where this is going, guys. We have fallen right into our golden pocket zone between the 0.618 and the 702. Fell right in there and are starting to bounce from it. So this is the optimal spot based upon the price action, based upon the volume, and also based upon the Fibonacci retracement. So let's go back to Bitcoin pairing. What do you think's about to happen once again? Look at that, guys. Another golden pocket bounce. You cannot ask for a better opportunity than Request right now. This thing looks incredible. I can't even think of anything to really watch out for. This chart just looks perfect. Now, obviously, I cannot give you financial advice, but I'm going to tell you guys right now, I loaded up on Request today, and I think it's my number 5 largest holding simply because of these two charts. I'm very, very, very bullish on them. So outside of that, have a fantastic day. If you want to get all the latest updates on Request, make sure to come into the Discord because I do keep up with Request along with many, 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 many other altcoins. All right, so the link is in the description below, and I will let you guys go, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, deuces, boys.